Immerse yourself in a world where extravagance meets innovation, where every detail is meticulously designed to offer an unparalleled experience. Welcome to a realm where the ordinary is transformed into the extraordinary, a realm that showcases the epitome of luxury and sophistication. Our journey today takes us into the heart of opulence, exploring two distinctive symbols of prestige and affluence: luxury yachts and private jets. These are not merely modes of transportation, but rather, they are floating palaces and soaring castles in the sky, representing the pinnacle of human craftsmanship and ingenuity. On this voyage, we'll delve into the allure of the extravagant yachts, marveling at their grandeur and elegance. Then we'll ascend into the heavens, taking a closer look at the opulent interiors of private jets, the embodiment of comfort and convenience at 30,000 feet. Prepare to embark on a journey that transcends the ordinary into realms of the extraordinary. The first stop on our journey brings us to the breathtaking domain of luxury yachts, where every inch whispers elegance. In the world of grandeur and opulence, luxury yachts reign supreme. They are not just vessels, but a testament to human ingenuity and a reflection of the world's most refined tastes. These floating palaces, as they are fittingly called, are the epitome of luxury, where every square foot is dedicated to comfort, sophistication, and an unrivaled seafaring experience. The spacious decks of these yachts are a marvel in themselves. They are designed to provide ample room for relaxation, entertainment, and even the occasional party under the stars. With infinity pools, jacuzzis, and sunbathing areas, these decks are your own private beach, but with an ever-changing view. The interiors of these yachts are nothing short of spectacular. From the bespoke furnishings to the lavish decor, every element is meticulously chosen to reflect the owner's taste. The cabins are spacious, offering panoramic views of the sea, and the bathrooms, often adorned with marble and gold, rival those of the finest hotels. But these yachts are not just about aesthetics. They are equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems and cutting-edge technology to ensure safety and ease of travel. The crew is trained to provide a seamless journey, attending to every need of the guests, from gourmet meals to personalized services. The craftsmanship involved in creating these floating palaces is extraordinary. Expert shipbuilders, interior designers, and marine engineers come together to construct these masterpieces. Each yacht is the result of countless hours of labor, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to perfection. These yachts also offer a level of privacy and freedom that is unparalleled. They allow their owners to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and retreat into a world that is entirely their own. Whether it's exploring hidden coves, soaking up the sun on a deserted beach, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the open seas, the possibilities are endless. These majestic vessels are not merely yachts, they are floating palaces, offering a slice of paradise on the open seas. Now let us take a leap into the sky, where luxury soars to new heights in the form of private jets. Imagine an environment where every detail is tailored to your preferences, where your needs are anticipated, often before you even realize them. Welcome to the world of private jets, where personalization meets sophistication, and convenience mingles with elegance. These jets are not merely modes of transportation, but rather, they are airborne palaces. Every inch of the interior exudes opulence. From the finest quality leather seats that offer the pinnacle of comfort, to the handcrafted wood veneers that add a touch of earthy elegance, every detail is meticulously designed. The technology on board these jets is nothing short of state-of-the-art. High-speed Wi-Fi keeps you connected, enabling you to make the most of your time in the sky. Advanced noise reduction technology ensures a serene journey, while the latest in-flight entertainment systems cater to your leisure needs. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey. But what truly sets private jets apart is the personalized service. Imagine a world where your favorite meals are prepared by a world-class chef, where your preferred beverages are always on hand, and where your comfort is the primary concern of a dedicated crew. This is the reality aboard a private jet. And let's not forget the convenience. Forget about long queues and crowded terminals. With a private jet, you choose your departure time and you fly directly to your destination. It's a seamless travel experience that respects your time and your privacy. These jets are not just about luxury, they are about exclusivity. It's about having a space that's entirely your own, up in the sky. It's about experiencing a journey that's tailored to your needs, your tastes, and your schedule. Private jets define a new standard of luxury, where the journey becomes as exciting as the destination. Luxury yachts and private jets are not just modes of transport, they are symbols of a lifestyle that few can only dream about. It's a world where privacy and convenience meet opulence, where the ordinary is eclipsed by the extraordinary. Owning a yacht or a private jet is more than just a status symbol, it's a statement of success. It's a declaration to the world that you've not only arrived but have surpassed expectations. These are not just vehicles, but they are floating and flying palaces equipped with every conceivable amenity, redefining the very concept of travel. Imagine the unique experiences they offer. On a yacht, you can sail away from the hustle and bustle of the city, exploring the beauty of the vast oceans, basking in the sun on a private deck, or dining under the stars with the gentle lapping of waves providing the perfect soundtrack. It's a private retreat, a haven where you can unwind in opulence, surrounded by nothing but the blue expanse of the sea and the sky. Private jets, on the other hand, take luxury to new heights. They offer the chance to travel in a cocoon of comfort, whisking you away to your destination without the usual hassles of travel. No long queues, no delays, just seamless journeys tailored to your needs. The interiors, designed to the last detail, offer a tranquil space where you can work, relax, or even hold meetings, all while soaring above the clouds. It's not just about the convenience though, it's about the personalized services, the bespoke experiences that make every journey unique. From gourmet meals prepared by personal chefs, to concierge services that cater to every whim, these are the experiences that elevate luxury travel to an art form. In the world of the elite, where time is the ultimate luxury, these extravagant vessels not only offer convenience, but also serve as a testament to one's achievements and taste for the finer things in life.